Missy, you're a good big brother. They're so cute. They get so excited when you come in here, Moose. And you steal their pig's ears. They don't care. They just want you, Moose. They just want your attention. And there you are doing that. You're so sweet with them. Don't you be mean to them. Don't be mean to them if you're going to chew that hoofy. I'm going to take the hoofy. I just don't trust that you're not going to correct their behavior. And you're a big boy. You're a big boy compared to them. I've seen you correct Fredo. Who's this? Who's this pretty girl? Is that Peaches? Hi, Peaches. Oh, he found another one. There's two in here. May I please have that? Okay. Okay. Sorry about that, Moose. I just don't. I see how you correct Fredo. And these dogs are, 2 pounds. So Fredo's a big boy. Mommy's got to change that cover. You are so worshipped by your little brother and sister, Moose. Are you going to leave? Are you leaving? We all love you, Moose. There's Romeo. Hello, Romeo. Hello, Romeo. Hello, Romeo. You are so cute, Romeo. You are so cute. So Moose is 10 weeks, maybe 11 weeks. And the puppies are 6 weeks. I mean, they're all puppies. But I call the little ones, the little itty bitties puppies. Even though Moose is a puppy too. Be gentle. She's laying. Oh my gosh. Peaches just love. They both